Unbiased Estimators homework. First question is worth 5 marks. I've given 2 marks here for mu hat. I'm feeling particularly generous there, I think. I've given 1 mark for the sample mean and 1 mark once you've applied the fiddle factor to get that answer there for your unbiased estimator for sigma squared. And the standard error of the mean, the standard deviation of x bar, I've given a mark for, so it's 5 marks altogether. Is there any questions?
Sort of middle step in the first way before doing that.
So if you got that, then that's worth 2 marks. That's fine. If that's not written down, but that's right, you have automatically got that mark. So that's out of 5. Any questions? Any queries? Can we move on? Okay. Next question was question 4. That's out of 4 marks. So I gave 1 mark for x bar and 1 mark for actually saying it was the unbiased estimator of mu. I gave this mark here is for the sample variance. This mark here is for the unbiased estimator for the variance. If you've got this mark, you automatically get that mark there. In fact, if you get that mark, you've automatically got all 4 marks, because I can't see how you could get part A without getting part B. So 4 marks there for that question. Any questions, queries? Moving on, question 6 is here. 4 marks. 1 for the 64 for mu hat, 1 for the 6.6 for sigma squared hat, and in part B, 1 for the 64 for mu hat again, and 1 for a 6.315 for sigma squared hat, for 4 marks altogether, 1 mark for each. And then final question, question 7. This one here, final answer at the bottom of the board. So 8 marks for this one. I've given 1 for, I'm trying to work out exactly what I've done here. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, there's 2 marks for working out the mean, the sample mean, 2 marks for working that out, and 1 mark for saying that that is the value you're going to use for mu hat. So basically, if you've got mu hat equals that, that's 3 marks. There are 2 method marks here, and if you've got this answer down here for sigma squared hat, you can assume you've got those 2 method marks. And then the standard error one at the end, there's a mark for that, which means that is out of 8 marks. Those questions then are out of 5, 4, 4 and 8, which make 21. And then there are the grade boundaries at the bottom of the screen. So if you can mark and grade that work, a different plastic envelope will come round, which you can put that piece of work in, please. Name and grade at the top.